What's the meaning of bossily? Bossily. Bossily.
Bossily. Bossily. The word bossily means to act in a commanding and authoritative way, often imposing one's will on others. When someone behaves bossily, it can be seen as an attempt to control the situation and assert dominance over others. This behavior is not always well received and can lead to conflict and resentment among those being bossed around. While some may view bossiness as a beneficial trait for leadership or decision-making, it is important to be mindful of how this behavior affects those around us and strive to communicate and collaborate in a respectful and considerate manner.